How to make a cardboard flower vase. From an ordinary disposable box, you can make an interesting holder or vase, decorating it at your discretion. For example, you can glue it with colored paper, add beads, sequins, or flowers, and you will get a new decoration made with your own hands. No financial cost in time or material, only benefit and beautiful result. In my masterclass, you will learn how to make a cardboard flower vase. The time you will need to make this craft is approximately 25 minutes. Okay, let's get started. You will need supply: a box of thick cardboard, colored paper, sequins, ornamental ribbon with beads or other figures, flour. It can be made of clay, plasticine, felt, foam-mirin, or other material. Tools: scissors, glue. Step 1. Take a box of a suitable shape, better rectangular. Cut off the top to leave an opening, or pull the doors of the box inside and glue them on. Cover the box with glue on top of the light-colored paper. Step 2. Use the scissors. Carefully cut off the edges or fold the ends of the paper inside the box. Step 3. Use decorative jewelry. Decorate the neck of the future vase with a beautiful ornamental ribbon with half beads or any lace. Step 4. Use decorative flower. In the center, glue a beautiful flower of any material, matching the theme and shade of the vase. For example, you can use air-dry clay, which after solidification becomes soft and pleasant to the touch. To do this, tear off pieces of air-dry clay and knead in your hands in the form of petals. Then combine all the petals together and wait for them to dry. Step 5. Use sequins. Also spread some sequins as an additional decoration. You can do this on all sides or just in the center. Step 6. A new unique piece is ready. Congratulations! You have performed the vase with your own hands. Artificial flowers will look beautiful in this vase, or you can put pencils, brushes, pens in it.